Hey guys, sanibona. So Umusa just moved out of his father's house kaMkhize. La ehlala khona nozwelakhe noma wakhe and his whole family. Wahamba waya lapha emzini kaDumsane kuboka Mhlaba. And this could mean one thing and one thing only, ukuthi iyinkinga zodwa ezilandela uzwelakhe, because since Umusa movele laphayana, that means he's going to team up with uGcwabe. And uGcwabe will make sure that he keeps him there. Amsebenzise ngoba Umusa isidom naye, so he'll be used by uGcwabe ngendlela afuna ngayo uzakwazi ugain access to the family business, and this is really stressing me out, which is why I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would love to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down so that you can watch my first videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. Now, after having a very dramatic fight with Zwelakhe, Umusa decided to move out of the house. Wahamba, uma ngabe hamba, mina I thought mhlawumbe uzohamba uhlela yedwa, kanti cha uyahamba uyeze ngaGcwabe. Ufuna ukuhlela noGcwabe lapha nabo Mhlaba nabo bhuti kaMhlaba. And this means one thing, ukuthi Umusa uzoteam up noGcwabe manje. More especially since the DNA tests are out. My prediction is that we'll find out who's Zwelakhe uyena kaMkhize, and if we find out that Zwelakhe uyena kaMkhize, Umusa since has moved in with uGcwabe will influence Umusa ukuthi baba uZwelakhe uyena wakini. So if uZwelakhe uyena wakini, that means ukuthi wena go and take that family business kube yakho, ngobani ibusiness kababa bakho lapha leliyana. And obviously eventually once lasala Umusa, that business is going to sink, and then uGcwabe will be there to gain access to the business. Okusho ukuthi uZwelakhe will be kicked out of the business in all angles, like akana ndlela angasave ngayo in this situation. Angazi, only his ancestors can save him from this one. Imshubele lo serious. So guys, comment down in the comment section if you about this whole drama that is happening there on Wababa. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video also on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're not TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.